Hello friends! Welcome to my new tutorial on the Smart Assistant channel. In this short tutorial, we'll explore how to stop our WhatsApp application from automatically saving photos and video clips to our gallery on an Android phone. While some users prefer this option for easier access to their images, others believe it can lead to unwanted clutter in the gallery or compromise privacy. So, if you're ready, let's get started with the process. The first thing you need to do is open your WhatsApp application. After that, tap on the three vertical dots in the top right corner of the screen, then tap on Settings. Now, select the Chats option. Once you've done that, now tap on the toggle switch for Media Visibility to turn it off. Great! WhatsApp will stop saving photos and video clips to your gallery. That's all, folks. If you found the video helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time.